Welcome to Geminiano Cozzi Venezia 1765 showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of our most significant collections. Pure white collections by Geminiano Cozzi Venezia are produced in fine bone china, the top-of-the-range porcelain, more elegant, more translucent, more chip-resistant and lighter compared to traditional porcelain. The Gourmet line is characterized by a wide and straight rim. It has a wide range of sizes in flat plates: 13.5, 17.5, 22, 27.5, 31, 33 and 36 cm. Pasta bowls measure 23, 26 and 30 cm. There is a soup plate measuring 24.5 cm. The big 30 cm pasta bowl, together with the 36 cm flat plate, can be presented together. Completing the offer are a footed bowl, espresso and teacups. We then have our Positano collection, which distinguishes itself from the classic thin rim, slightly raised and ideal for an easy grip by the waiter and an ideal solution for banquets. A perfect match is created between the Gourmet charger plate and the Positano dinner plate. The collection also features a very elegant cloche, which can be used to cover the 30 cm pasta bowl, the 31 cm Gourmet signature plate, and finally the Positano 27 cm dinner plate, the latter combination ideal for room service. Finally, we'd like to draw your attention on these plates, designed specifically for serving risotto, with at least 3 distinguishing characteristics: flat well in order to keep a uniform warmth, a depth of 2 cm, a perpendicular wall which makes it easy to collect even the very last grain of rice. This particular plate is available in 2 different sizes: 35 grams capacity for the half portion and 75 grams capacity for the full portion. The particular composition on bone china, with 46% of tricalcium phosphate, makes this material more elastic compared to traditional porcelain, increasing the chipping resistance by about 30%. Bone china is fired at 1300 degrees. It's synonymous of elegance, translucency, lightweight, brilliance, chip resistance, ideal for all requirements, both professional and domestic.